Fujifilm recipes are a blessing and a curse. I'm setting up my Fujifilm X100F for 2026, and I'm stuck on choosing which film sim I want to run with. I've been running around with my hi-hats recipe, which is linked down in the description, but it's time for something new. What's not changing are my general settings, especially how I like my grain and contrast. The problem is black and white on Fujifilm isn't just pick one, it's acros and monochrome, and both have multiple variations. So now it's 8 options and I'm conflicted. But I don't have to stay stuck. I can just test them all, work through the whole frustrations of Fujifilm having way too many options. And the most logical solution is to run with these for the next 8 to 16 weeks. And by the end of it, I'll know which I want to run with for 2026.